Atma Namaste, welcome to Violet Sutras. Today's subject is mouth ulcers, also known as canker sores. So, what can you do when you have these? These are these painful conditions that happen inside of our mouth, sometimes on the lips or the gums, or sometimes even in the tongue, and this can be very painful. And sometimes it takes long to heal. So this video is all about that. There are certain pranayamas that you can practice. There are some mudras, yogic mudras that you can practice, and there are also some Ayurvedic recommendations that may help you in this condition. So if you or anyone you know is suffering from canker sores, mouth ulcers, please share this video with them and please practice with us. Starting with our pranayama practice, the first practice is called Shitkari Pranayama. With hands in Jnana Mudra and sitting in Padmasana, eyes gently closed, center yourself and touch your tongue to the upper palate. Now close your mouth and place your upper and lower teeth together, keeping your lips open completely. Inhale slowly through the space between your teeth, making a soft hissing sound, and exhale through the nose. Continue with the practice by touching your tongue to the upper palate, closing your mouth, getting both the sets of your teeth together, opening your lips, and then inhaling slowly through the space between your teeth, making a soft hissing sound. Then close your mouth and inhale through your nostrils. This pranayama can be practiced for 3 to 5 minutes, and please avoid practicing this pranayama during winters or during the night when the weather is cool. Those suffering from any mental ailments, BP, diabetes, or any kind of eye conditions must avoid this pranayama. We will now move on to the next pranayama, which is called the Shitali pranayama. Again, sitting in Padmasana, both the hands in Jnana Mudra. Extend your tongue out of your mouth by curling the sides of the tongue to form a tube. Now inhale slowly and deeply through this tube, which you have made through the tongue, as if you're sipping air through a straw. Close your mouth, hold your breath, and exhale slowly and gently through your nostrils. Continue this practice a few times. You can inhale, hold, and exhale for the same number of time. For example, you can inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale through your nostril for 4 seconds. Please avoid practicing this mudra during winters or if you're suffering from any chronic constipation, diabetes, cold, cough, BP, or any mental ailments. Both Shitali and Shitkari pranayama must be avoided if the pollution level around you is very high. While this pranayama is not very good for low BP, this is very good to control high BP and also to purify blood or keep the mind cool or control from bad cholesterol and even reduce stress and acidity. In Ayurveda, it is a great boon for any kind of Pitta dosha conditions that are caused by overheating or reducing any kind of wounds or stopping hiccups even. We will now move to the practice of mudras. The first mudra is called the Apana mudra. While sitting in Padmasana, touch the middle and ring finger's tip to the thumb, the tip of the thumb. These three fingers are touched together, forming a circular shape. The index and little fingers are kept straight open, both hands in this mudra resting on the legs with palms directed upwards. Take deep, gentle breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Practice this as much as you can. You can practice it for at least 30 to 50 minutes. To maintain good health, this pranayama can be practiced every day for 10 minutes after meals. This mudra regulates the excretory system by helping to easily excrete all the unwanted items from our body like urine, stool, and even sweat. So if you are suffering from urination, frequent urination and in excess, then you must avoid this pranayama. After this mudra, we will move on to the practice of next mudra, which is called the prana mudra. We continue sitting in Padmasana, and this time the ring and the little fingertips are bent to touch the tip of the thumb finger. These three fingers form a circle shape. The index and middle fingers are kept straight open. Both hands in this mudra are kept on the knees or the thighs and with the palms facing upwards. This mudra can be practiced 3 times a day for 15 minutes each time. For mouth ulcers, this mudra must be practiced after the first mudra that was shown in the video, that is Apana mudra. After the Apana mudra, you can practice the Prana mudra for the best results. So now about Ayurveda. So canker sores or mouth ulcers is typically a pitta imbalance condition. So you must shift to a pitta soothing diet. Avoid hot food, very sour food, fermented food, and also spicy food. The second remedy that Ayurveda recommends is taking a teaspoon of honey and mixing it with a little bit of haldi, making a paste and applying it on that gel, and you will soon be relieved of the pain. The third recommendation of Ayurveda is swishing your mouth with aloe vera juice. What you can also do is take aloe vera gel and possibly mix some neem powder in that and apply that on the wound several times a day, and it will definitely reduce the problem. One more thing that you can do is you can rinse your mouth with coconut oil several times a day. The inflammation and the pain of the wound will definitely come down. I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel and share it with your near and dear ones.